aside sa flood control issue, nakikita po ang visit niyo sa Naga City in the lens of politics. Are you open to forging an alliance with Naga City Mayor Lenny Robredo for 2028
Alam mo, hindi
elections?
namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na servisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny.
President, may nagsasabi po kasi na yung pagbisita niyo daw po dito ay sagot dun sa pagdedeklara ni Vice President Sara.
We have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito eh. Especially with the storms that came in, then I already instructed the SecBins and SecPing to look at the situation here. Because, you know, of course, we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms, but the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun marami. You got 700 in one day. 700 centimeters of rain in one day. Ano yung patumbas ng 6 na buwan yun?
Lampas po siya sa Ondoy and Yolanda.
Yeah, that's very significant, and that's why it became critical. So, yeah, we did not discuss. Servisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kaming kailangan gawin. So, we will get to that. Aabot din tayo dun.
Mr. President, ano po yung reaction ninyo sa announcement ni VP Sara na tatakbo siya sa pagkapangulo sa 2028?
Again,
Ano pong masasabi niyo dun sa announcement?
nothing really. That's her choice.
Mr. President, how about the willingness of Senator Amy to run alongside Vice President Sara?
Again, this is all politics. We're not going to discuss politics now. It's